5.5 Standard form. Standard form is ax plus by equals c. This form helps you find the intercepts. So for the first question, it says, what are the x and y intercept for the graph 6x minus 9y equals 18? So in order to find the intercepts, that's x-intercept and y-intercept, we're going to first find the y-intercept. And again, that's where it's going to be, x is going to be equal to 0. So we plug in 0 for x, and we get 6 times 0 minus 9y equals 18. And we know that when we multiply by 0, it basically goes away. So we then have negative 9y is equal to 18. Divide both sides by negative 9, and we get y is equal to negative 2. So the y-intercept is when x equals 0, so we have the coordinate x is 0, y is negative 2. Now to find the x-intercept, instead of plugging in x equals 0, we're going to plug in y equals 0. So what we have here then is 6x. We're going to have 6x minus 9 times 0 is equal to 18. And as with what we had before, the 0 will multiply out. So we have 6x equals 18. Divide both sides by 6. And then that will give us that x is equal to 3. Here's a small caution on here is you started off with the y. So this is the coordinate where x equals 3 and y equals 0. So that's the x-intercept. For the next problem, we're going to have to graph this. And it's basically the same concept of what we just did for the previous problem. So first we have to find the y-intercept. Again, that's setting x equal to 0, which we're used to doing. So 2x minus y is equal to 4. You then substitute in x equals 0. That gives us negative y is equal to negative 1. And then we get 4 is equal to negative y. So we get the coordinate then, x equals 0 and y equals negative 4. Then for the y-intercept, or the x-intercept, we're going to plug in y equals 0. So here 2x minus y is equal to 4. Substitute 0, and now we get then 2x is equal to 4. So divide both sides by 2. This then gives us the coordinate x equals 2, y equals 0. So to see the graph of this then, we just plot the 2 points. You can see there's 0, negative 4 is where we cross the y-axis, and then the blue point, 2, 0 is where we cross the x-axis.